Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and today in this video I just like to show you how to create a 3D project on your Unity. So let's begin. So first you just need to open on your Unity hub. So here you can see I just open my Unity hub. So after that just select on the top right corner new project option, select on it. Now in the all temples there have a option 3D. If you select 3D, you just need to select 3D. After that here have a option my project, so just change the name 3D project. Then you can change your location from here. You can select any location for your project. So after select on your location, just select create project. Then here you can see it's loading now, and after it's loading you can see your Unity already started. There you can see Unity started project temple. So you just need to wait for this opening on your Unity. Just a moment. So guys, it's pretty much easy, and in this way you can create your 3D project on Unity and you can build your 3D game. You just can build 3D, not 2D. So here you can see it's loading. You just need to wait for opening Unity app. So guys, in this way you can create a 3D project on your Unity. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.